Hello, so this is a little demo for this Excel spreadsheet. It's been VBA coded to solve pretty much any fluid mechanics problem for the flow of water in a series of loops of pipes. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump in. So the first button is the data input button. This enables us to place in the information for our loop of pipes. So the demo problem we've been using is as follows. So a series of 3 loops of pipes with 4 pipes in each loop, with each pipe being made 12 feet long and 3 inches in diameter. Now these checkboxes you see can bring up a different user form depending on whether or not the number of pipes is uniform in each loop or the size of each pipe is uniform. If those aren't checked, it will pull up a user form that lets you put in the different information. But this is just the most simple problem, so this is showing. So we'll go ahead and clear out the information that's in the spreadsheet right now, and we'll put in the information for this series of pipes. So this is just names for all of the different members. Let's see. Okay, and then the BG pipe is shared with the second loop. So there's a page in this user form for each loop in the pipe, and some of these are connected. And so I'll show why that's important later on. Basically, there's a difference in how it flows, and so it requires a different calculation. I'm just inputting the guesses. This is one of the reasons we're using a pre-existing problem is it's pretty complicated, and if we don't have an existing problem, then it can turn out kind of funky. But let's see. Okay. So like GB, this one is shared with the loop number 1. So you saw it on the last page. Hold up, I missed one. Oh, here we go. Okay. So that one. So again, just entering in the guesses for the flow. Whoops, that goes down here. Okay. So once I've finished inputting all of the information for these different pipes, then we'll be able to finish running it, and it'll basically do all the calculations on its own. Oh wait, let me go back here. So this is the middle loop. So we actually have 2 shared loops. So this one is shared with the third loop. There we go. Okay. We've got EF, and then last one is CF. And as you just saw, this one is shared with the pipe on the second loop. Okay. So once I hit OK, it's going to fill in the information for the dimensions of the pipe and our estimates for the Q. Now you'll notice that we've got some differently colored cells here, and basically what it'll do is it will read the cells that are shared. There's a different calculation for the Q value right here, and by reading that the color is different, it'll know to use a separate equation to calculate the Q. So it'll go, and we're going to wait until it runs until delta is basically 0. There you go. So we've got it calculated so it's sensitive to 10 to the negative 14th power or something like that. Then we've got our guesses for Q and HL, and they're all updated. And yeah, that's it. That's the whole spreadsheet. So hope you enjoyed, and have a good day.